Good morning, Open Roads family. Hope everybody is having a fantastic Tuesday. I'm coming here from our Acworth location here at 316 North Point Parkway in our service shop. So this is one of our brand new Arias that just landed, and it literally just got here. So it's getting prepped right now. Wanted to show you guys. It is the Aria 3901. Like I said, we have new inventory coming every day. So keep a lookout on our website and especially on our Facebook page. I'm going to be doing different walkarounds of new stuff coming in and posting pictures as well. So without further ado, I'm going to turn us around here. This is the brand new Aria 3901. Now this is my personal favorite floor plan of the Arias. It is a bath and a half, so it is a really great thing to have. Just that way nobody has to walk through the bedroom or anything like that to get into a bathroom if need be. So we're going to walk around the outside first. So as you can see, it has that gray and white exterior. This is Sikkens paint, so it's the same kind of paint that they use on Mercedes. It looks amazing, and you guys have to see it in person to just see how good it looks. You can see the awning lights. The arms are actually outlined with the LED lights, so it's really great for nighttime, especially whenever you guys are sitting outside or anything like that. It really does give you some nice light, but it's not too bright. Going through on the cross throughs, it does have a pull-out tray, and look at all this storage. So these are really made for either whenever you guys are going local or long distance. It is a awesome motorhome. It's got the 360 horsepower engine in it, so it will pull a good bit, and it is phenomenal on the road. This has that Atlas foundation that you guys have heard me talk about in the Tuscany as well. So it's the same type of foundation they actually use in ambulances. So whenever you're in an ambulance, you don't want that thing shaking, and this will be stable on the road as well. You won't have that lean whenever you're going down the road. I'm sure you guys have heard on motorhomes, if you're going up next to a big rig or something like that, how it kind of has that motorhome lean. This will not have that. It is a firm and heavy foundation. So you have plenty of storage on the outside here, and you're also going to have an outside TV with that sound bar. So it's really great for entertainment outside, whether you're at the campground or tailgating at a football game or something like that. Gives you plenty of stuff to do outside as well. So moving on around here, this is also going to have a ladder to get up on the roof. So if you guys do need to get up there, just check any kind of seals or anything like that, you do have that option. It is a fully walkable roof, no problem there. And you also are going to have the hitch right here too, to be able to pull a trailer or a car if you do so choose, with the 7-way plug already there too. So again, this is the 360 horsepower engine, so you're going to have plenty of power there. Now, the one other thing I wanted to show you guys on the outside is just how easy it is to dump your tanks, to be able to get to your outside shower and everything like that. You have your sewer flush right there. Everything is right here in one easy location. This is your water pump switch right here. So if you guys wanted to turn your water pump on from outside, you have that option. Then, of course, it does have a filter for your water as well. But it's really easy to get to. Even your low point drains right there, everything is right here in a central location, so it makes it really easy to be able to dump your tanks or even winterize your motorhome. All right, so let's go ahead and move on inside. Again, this is the Aria 3901. It is a beautiful coach. So coming on inside here, we have some awesome space. You got your fireplace, which you guys have heard me talk about the fireplaces before. It will heat up this whole cabin area. Really great to have, because really all you got to do is just switch that on, and you don't even have to mess with your heating or anything like that on your thermostat. This will have a televator, which, as you can see, it's actually already up. Really great to have right across from the theater seating. And then you also have your couch right there. Great living space, awesome area. And then this does have my favorite overhead bunk as well, just because of how easy it is to come down. It's a one-touch button system, super easy to use, super easy to put back up. Now, as you can see, this is the cockpit system, or cockpit area. It will have a fully digital dash. I'm going to turn it on here for us. So obviously this is the Freightliner chassis. You have your speedometer and everything like that. It's very easy to use and really user friendly. So definitely check that out. And then you're also going to have your backup camera. So this is going to be your backup camera screen right here. And then that's going to be more of your stereo and all that good stuff. All right, now moving us on around. Now, another thing a lot of people ask me is, how is the storage? This has awesome storage, awesome overhead storage right above your theater seating. And then you're also going to have some storage right here above your dinette. Really deep cabinets. Great space for anything y'all need to. Now, this dinette does make a bed as well. So if you guys do need a little bit extra sleeping area, it's perfect for it. Look how awesome this kitchen is. You have plenty of counter space, plenty of storage. This is also a convection oven. This is your Whirlpool convection oven. So basically cook just about anything you want to in this kitchen. You're also going to have the electric stovetop. A lot easier to boil water or really just get anything hotter faster from the electric stovetop. This will have your residential fridge. Really great size residential fridge and freezer. Now, all right, so going into the bedroom here. Now, as you guys have seen in the Tuscany as well, this is a bed that lifts up. So you can sit up. It's great for watching TV. I have a very similar this at home. It's really awesome to use, and it's a great use of space. Just that way, even whenever the slides are open, you have tons of walking space in here. Great cabinet space and great storage space in the bedroom as well. And then look at this hanging space. You have awesome hanging space. These shelves do come out, so if you do need a little bit longer of hanging space, you have that option in here. Then obviously this is your TV in the bedroom. And then this lifts up for even more storage. So again, guys, they did not spare anything on any kind of storage space. This does already come with your stackable washer and dryer, so especially on those longer trips, if you guys need your washer and dryer, even if you wanted to use it while going down the road, you have this option, and it's really great for those long trips. Now, moving on into the bathroom, this will have a double vanity for stainless steel as well. Really great fixtures, really fantastic room in here. Check out this shower. You're going to have plenty of room in the shower and really great headspace as well. Now, as you can see, you're going to have even more storage in here. You're going to have some slide-out drawers there. You're also going to have drawers and cabinets all the way through. And then your porcelain toilet. So, again, guys, this is just a few things that's on this coach. You have to see it to believe it. It is an amazing floor plan. So come out, check us out at 316 North Point Parkway, or you can also see us at 3003 US 411, White, Georgia, or check us out anytime on our website, openroads.us. Keep it here on our Facebook page. If you haven't clicked the alerts for our live videos, do that. It'll alert you anytime that we go live or any pictures that we have coming through. Hope you guys are having an awesome Tuesday, and we'll see you soon.